This is David Aigbefo speaking, Vice Chairman MBA Gwagwalada branch. This early hour this morning, kidnapper came to my place with armed weapon. They broke through my gates. This is my compound with sophisticated weapons. And they broke in through the second gate. Here is it. You can see the mark here. Yes. There is bullets everywhere. This is bullets. This is a mark of bullets on the wall. They were well armed. This might be a Tugamaji. They were well armed. This is bullets. Bullets on my wall. This is also bullet through the window. I don't know if you can see this. This is bullet here. There's another one here. Another one here through the window. Through the window, and it's a lot of bullets. There is another one here. You can even see the bullet inside. Look at the bullet here. Yes, look at the bullets. You know, it's still there. Look at the bullet still there. Yeah, it's still right there. Look at it there. Yes, there's bullets. And this, my door, is a security door, as you can see. It's a security door. Look at how look at one bullet here. Look at bullets, and they broke through this place, and there's another bullet here. You can see this hole here. It's a bullet. It was AK-47. You know, with chain bullets all over. This is another one here. It's another one here, and they break through to my house. And I have a running battle with them for more than 30 minutes. I fought with them by God's grace. I injured some of them. You can see the blood stain on the ground. This is the blood stain of the kidnappers. This is just the blood stain. The blood stain. Look at the blood stain on my wall. Look at the blood stain everywhere. All these are the blood stain. Look at the blood. Look at the blood. I'm not sure that this person is going to survive it. I use machetes to machete them. Yes, look at it here. And exactly, this is what happened. And you can see my cutlass here, the one I used where we were fighting. We really fought in this sitting room. Here is my sitting room. Yeah, this is my sitting room, and it was really battle, and this is blood. Also, you can see it now. You can see the blood all there, and this was the matches that I used. You can see something is even broken because it was a running battle. I had to fight them for more than 10 with their AK-47. I had to fight them with it by God's grace, and I prevailed over them. And they reinforced. They reinforced with guns. Knowing fully where I was in the guest room, because this is the guest room. They came with, this is a point of bullets. Bullet here. This is the second bullet. This is the third bullet. Fourth bullet. Fifth bullet. They cut most of it. So let me show you the impact of what have transpired. You know what this bullet did. You know, this is not So this is the guest room. This is my guest room. And look at how the bullet penetrated. They believe that I was here because since I fought with them and they reinforced, they thought I was there. So look at what the bullet did. The bullet passed all through that area. And look at the bed, the visitor bed, you can see here. Look at the bullet here, penetrate through the wall. Look at the next bullets in this place. Look at them. And there's another bullet that penetrates through. I think it even penetrates through the bed. Let me see. Well, however, the bullet penetrated through here. Look at the hanger. Look at the way the bullet shattered this hanger rail. Look at shattered them, pass through here, through here. No, the bullet actually, and look at it down here. So this is how God deliver me from the hand of the kidnapper. God made me to stay strong, to fight them. I fought them for more than 30 minutes. Then before the vigilante surfaced, then the policemen, and thank God that they ran away. But as at now, they are tracing the blood of the one that was mortally injured. They want to see maybe to see whether he will be found. And yes, that is. Yeah. So for now, by God's grace, I am safe. My wife is safe. There is my wife there on the table. My children, they are safe. Yes, my children, we are all safe now. Yeah, we are all safe. Yeah, my little boy, yes. Yeah, we are safe. And that's what happened. That's what happened here. And I just want the world to know that Togamaji, I want the world to know that this rate of kidnapping in our country, Nigeria, is high. And I urge the government to be proactive about security. Everybody cannot be me. It is God that helped me to muster courage to fight with them with the AK-47. I was able to ward them off. So I cannot stop giving God glory for that. So I want the world to know what transpired for now. Thank you.